Hello. I was really hoping my paper towel stand was going to be high enough to shoot me, but it's not. Welcome to another day of Mishmas. Do you want to say hi to your fans out there? You want to say hi? You ready to go to school, baby? Someone looks sleepy. And also very over mommy. On the chair. Butters. On the chair. Good girl. Put your necklace on. Well, I just dropped off Miss Butters at school, and God, this tuft of hair gets more and more expressive. What is even happening? Usually when it gets longer, it just starts to... Not today. I need to go upstairs and shower. But I just dropped off Butters at school, and I'm just bummed because I was supposed to get my nails done today. That was on my schedule, but I canceled because the Nevada COVID numbers are they're just bad. They're just bad. They're, just spiking and kind of staying at that level at the moment. So I was like, let me cancel. It just doesn't feel right. It's definitely not a necessity, although you're going to have to pardon my nail appearance over the next couple of weeks. Look at that growth. I may just have to remove this gel polish on my own, but anyway. Well, I'm going to go upstairs and shower, and then I thought I would share with you what I purchased during the Black Friday sales. I don't think... No, don't laugh at me. I don't think I've received everything because I don't quite remember what I purchased. I go online, I click on these links, you get these emailers, oh my God, huge sale. And I click and I fill up imaginary carts, and sometimes I check out and sometimes I don't. So I think I have most of it. So I'm going to share with you what I've received so far from my Black Friday shopping. So we are just going to do that today. So this probably is not going to be a very long vlog, but I've been hinting a little bit about this project that I've been working on. Anyway, we've moved into the next phase at this point, and I need to kind of focus my attention on that. So yeah, so today's vlog is going to be a little bit short, but let me go shower and then I can show you what I purchased. I thought before I hopped into the shower, because I was just inspecting my skin a little bit, and it's looking a little, I don't know, not so radiant, not as radiant as I would like. And I have not used this in a while, but this is my Sisly Gentle Facial Buffing Cream. Basically an exfoliator, but you have to use it on dry skin in a dry environment. That's really the only way it works. It's one of those interesting formulas that as you're rubbing it on, the actual texture of the product is what's kind of helping exfoliate. It doesn't really have beads. It doesn't have chemicals. Yeah, so it's it's a physical exfoliant, but it's different. It behaves differently than one with little bits in there. I take out about that much, and it has I don't think it's clay, but it's almost like a clay-like consistency. Oh, and I'm sorry, I take it back. There are bits in here. It almost feels like oatmeal-y. So what happens is when you start rubbing it in, it kind of starts drying up and balling up. And I need to make sure to get the spots on my face that I saw were looking a little not so smooth, not so radiant. So I'm doing this over my sink because these bits are going to start falling off, and it basically kind of sloughs off your dead skin with it. It's really a great exfoliator.
If I had a little bit more time this morning, I would follow this up with like the Sisly Velvet Sleeping Mask or like a really nourishing kind of mask. Because after you exfoliate your skin, you really want to, I don't know, just feed it a little bit. And I do really get like the best results when I do that. But today I just don't really have time. So I'm just going to go about my regular skincare routine after the shower. All right, I think I got off as much as I could.
All right, I just got out of the shower. Sorry, my heat is on, it's really loud. Just got out of the shower, got ready, put on some light makeup, and I heard the doorbell ring. I think my husband's Christmas gift arrived. Yes, here it is. It's gigantic. I'm not gonna say what it is because he watches my videos, so, but it's big. He's gonna know what it is. Anyway, well, since I'm down here, let me show you what I got on Black Friday. I have to figure out like good camera propping places. I don't have that, and I always forget to bring down my like little tripod. I also have a hard time keeping track of it. So anyway, let me go upstairs and find this tripod. So the first thing I picked up is from Molten Brown, and I saw this scent flavor on Instagram, and I just was like instantly attracted to it. I have no idea what it smells like, but it had the word elderflower in there, and I used to drink, I don't drink anymore, but one of my favorite liqueurs was an elderflower liqueur, and it was always so fresh, like tasting and smelling, and it wasn't too heavily floral. So anyway, this is vintage with elderflower. So I believe this is part of their holiday edition, and wow, I didn't even realize, but there's actually like little sparkles in here. So this is the bath and shower gel. I'm gonna smell it right now. It smells like one of those fresh cocktails. Oh, that's amazing. Wow. Wow. That is amazing. So that's the bath and shower gel, and I've used Molten Brown products before, and if you like their products and you like a fresh scent, oh, I think you're gonna love this. And I just went ahead and got the set. So this is the body lotion. Yeah, it smells just like the shower gel. I feel like sometimes lotions smell differently than like other products in a similar like fragrance line. This smells so good though. Oh, wow. Absolutely love it. Little hints of citrus in there. Very, very slight, faint floral. Oh, I'm so excited. I'm always nervous about buying scented things online because you just never know, but this is good. And if you're looking for a gift, it does come in this little box, which is really nice, easy to wrap. And then I got this gigantic box, and I completely blacked out when I made this purchase. Totally forgot I had made this purchase. And when I even sat down and thought about it, I was like, I don't remember buying quite this much. But I did place an order at Thames, and they make one of my all-time favorite scented candles, and it's their Frasier Fir, and I love it. It's like just my favorite like pine tree scent, because it's not too like cleaner, like it just has like a lighter kind of aroma to it, and it's fresh. It smells really fresh without smelling too like antiseptic. So since I love that scent of theirs so much, I thought, why not why not one, get more of it, and apparently get some other things. So I got the Frasier Fir Home Fragrance Mist. Since we have an artificial tree, what I miss the most is the actual like scent of a real pine tree in the house. So I figured I would just kind of spray this over my artificial tree every now and then and just emulate having a natural tree. Ooh, and it's kind of like an aerosol. Ooh. Oh yeah. Okay, up close, it smells a little like cleaner, but when you get it in the air, it smells like the Frasier Fir. Oh, I love it. Oh, I love it so much. So that's the first thing I got. And then, oh, I got 2 hand washes. So I got 2 Frasier Fir hand washes. They come in these bottles. They're plastic, but they have this pine tree artwork on the front. And I like this kind of like clear green. It's festive without being too Christmassy. So that's exciting. I've been having a hard time finding like really decent hand wash. I've been having a hard time finding like hand wash that I like. And I don't think I'm necessarily being that picky. I think like hand wash is one of those things that people are just buying a ton of these days, understandably. So yeah, there just isn't much selection in the stores. So I'm glad I picked these up. And then, oh, okay. Oh my gosh, it's all coming back to me. So I can't remember the brand, but it was like a ginger candle. And I was like, oh my gosh, I don't have any candles that smell like ginger, like clove and ginger. I have ones with like notes of it in there, but not like a ginger candle. So I started to do a search and Thames came up, and then Frasier Fir and everything, it just all came back to me. So I actually went onto their site to get this. This is their gingerbread aromatic candle, a delectable holiday tradition. So I'm just hoping it doesn't smell too sweet. I don't like really sweet dessert-like smelling candles. Let's see. There's definitely like a vanilla like base note, but it does smell very spicy. That's what I was hoping for. And it comes wrapped in this, what is this called, like baker's string? I want to say baker's yarn, but I don't think it's yarn. And then it has this little heart house on there. Oh, cute. But it smells great. It smells great. Not too sweet. Actually, I'm gonna go ahead and light it right now. So I got this wick trimmer off of Amazon, and it has been the absolute best thing I have spent my money on in a very, very long time, because I have so many candles going, and if you don't trim the wick, they get all smoky and they, you know. Anyway, I got like 3 of them and I just have them all over the house. It's so great. Wow, I'm sensing a theme here. The other day I was baking ginger cookies, and today I'm like huffing a gingerbread candle. Okay, that's what was in the first box. There is a box number 2. No, not the wick trimmer. I really cannot remember for the life of me what I got. It feels like a big bottle though. Ah, more hand wash. So this is the large size of the Frasier Fir hand wash, but it comes in a glass bottle, which is not practical like in all of my bathrooms. I have like a pedestal sink in my like guest bath downstairs, and anything with like a big bottom like this, it just doesn't fit. So that's why I got these smaller ones too, because this has like a much smaller bottom. Anyway, so more Frasier Fir hand wash. And another large hand wash. I really don't remember buying so much hand wash. Ah, well, at least I chose well. This is the lemon leaf hand wash in the large glass bottle. Ooh, you can smell the like lemoniness without even pumping any out. Ooh, lovely. You guys know how much I love citrus scents. All right, and one last order. I placed an order on Nordstrom, and I actually posted this on Instagram because I was so excited for these shoes. Ooh, so exciting. Faux Shearling clogs. If you guys have like Birkenstocks, like this looks like a Birkenstock type of shoe, but the inside is not quite as formed, which sometimes kind of bothers my feet, and it has like a soft suede lining. Oh, this feels awesome. But look at that faux shearling, and there's all these different colors. I think there's a natural, I think they have patterns, like a camo pattern, a leopard pattern. I wasn't that into it. I would have gotten the natural, but I don't think they have the natural in my size. But I got these on sale. They were like almost 50% off, maybe like 40% off. I hope they're still on sale, but I'll link them down below in my description box, either way. But I ordered size 8 and size 9 because I've never actually had a pair of Steve Madden shoes. Ever. So I don't know how they run. The 9s may be a little bit too big, surprisingly. Oh, it's so funny. They don't have half sizes, at least not that I noticed on the Nordstrom site. And I feel like there's quite a bit of a difference between the 8 and the 9. I think an 8.5 would be perfect for me. But I think I'll go with the 8s. Because with this style clog, I don't want them too large. Otherwise they're just too big. They're just gonna keep flying off your foot. And I'm not I'm not gonna wear these shoes with socks or anything. Let me put both on so I can model it for you. Oh, they're so cute and they're really comfortable. I mean, what's not to be comfortable about them? Ooh, I really like these. And I think the sale price of these clogs, they were like $29.90 or something. They were like $30. And the last two things I picked up from Nordstrom, sorry, there's this weird tag on it, are these two sweaters, just basics. I just needed some more basics. I really haven't purchased any basics in a very, very long time. And you know when all of your clothing just starts to look like really, really old? That's the point I'm at. So let's see. So I just got these like very basic crew neck cashmere sweaters from Halogen, which I think is one of the Nordstrom brands. I cannot remember if these were on sale or not. Anyway, I'll link them down below. Hopefully they are if they weren't, or still are if they were. But I got black and that camel color. And I did order extra large. As you guys know, I love oversized clothing. And I do like wearing like sweaters like this, like over shirts like this. So I do like to have a little bit of room in my sweaters, but these are a good length too. I really hate when, you know, you go up in size and they only get wider. They don't necessarily get longer, but these are also relatively long. Oh, and they have like a side split here. I didn't realize that. Oh, nice. Well, I purchased like a whole bunch of other clothing from like H&M, Everlane, and Uniqlo. So I'm gonna do like a fashion like try on haul probably next week because I don't really have time right now. I really have to rush off and get my little project going. So I'm really excited and I cannot wait to be able to show you what I've been working on. It's so exciting. I'm so nervous. I'm so nervous about it, but I'm so happy about it too. But anyway, I'm gonna let you guys go. Thank you guys so much for tuning into today's Mishmas. I will see you in tomorrow's video.